Hello, the University of Dundee has multiple scholarships to offer, and if MSc International Business is your top choice, then let me help you with the available scholarship options for Indian and international students for the upcoming intake. With the South Asia Postgraduate Scholarship Program, the University of Dundee is offering postgraduate taught scholarships of £5,000 for 1 year to applicants from South Asia. Please find the scholarship deadline for the upcoming intake and other details in the text description below. The Postgraduate Global Excellence Scholarships are awards of £5,000 per year for the most inspiring applicants. If you have demonstrated excellence through your academic, extracurricular or voluntary activities, you can be considered for the scholarship. Don't miss out on the scholarship deadline for the upcoming intake and find the details in the text description below. The Postgraduate Global Citizen Scholarships recognize applicants who demonstrate strong alignment with the University of Dundee's values of valuing people, working together, integrity, making a difference, and excellence. These are awards of £5,000 for 1 year of study. Please find the scholarship deadline for the upcoming intake and other details in the text description below. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from the University of Dundee, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.